welkom terug by Goeiemôre Good Morning. Ons het vroeër vanjaar by Coco Craft Studio gaan kuier. Kom ons kyk wat hulle vir ons gemaak het.
Coco Craft Studio is geleë in die Prison Break Market in Glenfurniss Midrand en is passievol daaroor om die vreugde van kunstvleit in mense se lewens te skep. Die inisiatief bied 'n diverse reeks werkswinkels en kunstvleitervarings wat ontwerp is om kunstvleiters van alle vaardigheidsvlakke te inspireer en te bemagtig. Ons het vandag kom aanklop om te hoor of hulle nie 'n mat vir Goeiemôre Good Morning wil maak nie.
Coco Craft is a creative studio where you can come and unleash your creativity so that you can create a carpet and we help you with a hands-on experience. And the name Coco Craft comes from offering comfort, creativity and a community. So we wanted to create a space where people can disconnect with the screens and reconnect with creativity. In a world that is full of mass-produced decor, we wanted to show the beauty and love of handmade products. Coco Craft started as a pop-up market where we visited other markets to showcase the experience, and it was officially started in November 2023 by Mr. Edli Popanga and Nela Kevena, and they are powered by the powerful team, which is our mentors, Zakani and Owen, give clients a step-by-step guidance through the crafting process, and they offer quality service and a fun place for you to enjoy yourself. We also offer workshops such as a lip gloss workshop and hand casting, and we also can showcase more of our products in custom-made rugs. So you can reach Coco Craft on Instagram and TikTok using the handle @CocoCraft Studio, and you can reach us on WhatsApp using the number 071 729 1203, and we also accommodate walk-ins, and you can also make a booking there on our website.
Om so 'n mat te maak is fynwerk en verg 'n hele paar stappe wat oor 'n hele paar ure strek.
To make the carpet, right, we are using 100% acrylic yarn and the tufting gun, right, to make the carpet. We are using as well the monk cove. All the design that we are doing is a freehand design. We are drawing that with the hand. We don't project it, right? So we draw the design. Then after the drawing, we're gonna take the colors that we're gonna use to make the carpet. When we finish with this process, we start to use the tufting gun, right? We put the wool inside the gun and then we tuft the carpet, right? By making sure that we outline everything, and then we outline the colors and then we fill them. After that, right? When we finish with the tufting, right? We put the glue at the back, we apply the glue and we dry the glue. It is the bonding glue, right, for the carpet. Then after that, we stick the backing, we cut it around to give the shape that you want. And then after that, we're just gonna trim the surface, right? For this specific carpet that I'm making for you, right, it can take me 3 to 4 hours, basically. Why 3 to 4 hours is because I want to do the shaving between the lines, trimming between the lines. So when I'm doing that, it's gonna obviously take me more time to finish your carpet. If I didn't have to do that, it can take me like 2 to 3 hours to make it, right? But the trimming will take more time. So basically our workshop is beginner friendly. Even kids can come and make it, right? So it's good and it's really joyful to see people making their own things, right? Their own carpets. So for the workshop, we have 4 different sizes and we price them regarding the size, right? So for the smallest size that we offer is a 35 by 35 centimeter and it's 500 rand. Okay, so basically we made for the fashion week, right? We made a jacket, a rug jacket for kids. And it is a product that we made and we are proud of it because we work on it. We start from the beginning with him, with Gert. We start on it. We draw the design on the canvas that he gave us, right? We try to make it sure that we fit it in the frame, and then we tuft it. Then he has to sew it. Then after that, we shave and make sure that it looks great, really great for his fashion show. So it was a great experience.
Ek bewonder die geduld wat nodig is vir so 'n eindproduk. Coco Craft Studio skep 'n ruimte waar 'n mens jou kreatiwiteit kan verken, nuwe vaardighede kan aanleer en met ander mense in 'n passie vir kunstvleit kan deel. So, indien jy jou huis 'n bietjie meer persoonlik wil maak, Kom loer gerus in.
En hier is hy.
Cute is this not? I love it.
Ja, dis regtig baie oulik. Nogmaals baie dankie daar aan die Coco Craft span.
En hoe wonderlik om te sien hoe dit gemaak word.
Ja.
Dat dit eintlik it's a quite an intricate process. Hy met die ding, dit lyk soos 'n barber se ding wat hulle gebruik om jou hare te skeer.
En ek moet sê wat ek daarvan hou is nogal die authenticity daarvan, laat dit
Yes.
juis handgemaak is. Kyk, hy kon dit nou laat druk het en alles
Exactly.
presies gevat het soos wat ons logo is. Maar daar is hy, so 'n bietjie hier en daar 'n skewe nommertjie of so, maar dit is so autentiek, is ons sinne.
Ek dink net ja, that human factor that we're missing in so many gifts. Maar hierdie idee is vir my wonderlik. Dit is 'n regtig lekker Valentynsdag geskenk of 'n Valentynsdag ervaring.
Ja.
Ek dink daar's so baie paartjies wat dalk soek na iets om te doen wat nou nie jou gewone kom ons gaan uit vir ete, kom ons gaan kyk 'n fliek. Dat dit iets is wat jy regtig altyd gaan onthou en gaan geniet om te doen.
So of jy hom dan net teen die muur sit of gebruik by die voordeur of so, dit gaan altyd julle sinne wees. Dis nou 'n goeie idee
Ja.
vir 'n Valentyns afspraak. As dit nou nie die naweek is nie, dan kan dit nou maar obviously later gebeur, want dit is seker dat nie net dit nie, daar is seker nog eetplekkie of so naby hulle.
Ja, en daar's ook 'n markie wat gebeur waar jy ander goedjies ook kan koop en net kan inleef in die Coco Craft Studio ethos, I think it's absolutely wonderful.
En dit klink vir my as jy so 'n bietjie van 'n kindsinnigheid in jou het, dan kan
Ja.
jy nou self gaan en vir jou prentjie daar met die handteken, jy weet, omdat dit vryhand is, en dan kan iemand dalk net in steede van 'n verfkunstenaar,
Ja, 'n matkunstenaar
word.
Ek het so gehou van daai groen met die vrou wat so
Ja,
side
so
profile.
kyk,
Kyk, dit was vir my baie mooi. Wat was jou gunsteling een daar?
Maar net partykeer less is more, daai een wat die groot R was van 'n handelsmerk of iets.
Yes.
Dit was vir my ook nice, net
Of die wit met die blom, met die
Dit
een
is ook mooi.
statement blom. En toe sien mense ook, jy kan die sitplekke van die stoel ook doen. Dit is nie net matte nie, there's so many different things that you can do. Coco Craft Studio, all the details were on the insert and we also put them up on our social media. Goeiemôre, good morning.
gaan so verbyloop soos 'n
Ja. Soos 'n ding wat onder aan die skerm hardloop.
Nou ja, as hy skoonmaak vir jou soos 'n voltydse werk voel, bly ingeskakel. Want net hierna hoor ons 'n paar wenke om jou huis eksie perfeksie en blink te hou.